Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my first use of version 6 of Design Spark Mechanical. Version 6, 2023, R1. So here we go. So I'm going to Springbok 5-inch gauge model loco, and one chap has remarked that he liked my driver wheel that I made a few weeks ago, and would I do some more on locomotives. So he will go with this one. So we will go to our design strip, and now I've noticed no differences in here. Nothing stands out as being different. So we'll just continue and see how we get on. I'm going to start with a circle. Right, now this axle main diameter is 3/4 of an inch. So we'll say 0.75 inch. P for pull. Four 0.675 inches. Let's have a look at that. Yes, that looks quite reasonable. Now there's a couple of bearing parts on the end of it here, so it's like another circle. Now I've noticed, right, we've selected a circle, but there's no, the cursor does not have a hatch in it. So does that mean we can draw straight on here? Let's try it. Well, that looks alright. And this needs to be 0.6875 inches. Okay, pull. And 1132 long. Oh, what is 1132 as a fraction? Point 343. 0.343 inches. Similarly on here, a circle. Oh, we have got a hatch in it. Wonder why it didn't have a hatch on the other end. Again, 0.343 inches. No, wait a minute. This is a design 0.6. Come on, 0.6. So 0.125. Let's pull. And we'll drop that down about about 3/8, 0.375 inches. Okay. Now to make this into a center drill type hole, we are going to use the pull tool. We'll select that bottom corner in there. Make sure we've got the chamfer down here, the chamfer tool, and we'll say 0.0625 inches. Oh, this is new. Normally it's pretty quick. Oh, this is not good. We can't be waiting all this time for a simple chamfer. Wait a minute, we've got something going on down here, look. This red thing looks ominous. Ah, right. It appears to have done it. Yes, I think we've got a drill point type recess in the bottom of that, but that took a while. Now we want a chamfer at the top. Let's see if this is going to... Now we've still got the chamfer. 0.0625 inches. Return. Oh, well, that's better. That's better. Try this again on this end. Circle. Ah, right. Yes. 0.125 inches. Pull. 0.375 inches deep. Okay. We are. And we've got... Oh no, we want to make sure we've got the chamfer. Right, that's the chamfer. On 0.0625 inches. Dum-dee-doo-dee-dee. maybe it doesn't like doing this right near the center of the hole, bottom of the hole. Maybe we need to find some other method of putting the pointy bit at the bottom, which the that'll be the phone. Yeah, hello. Hello. Yeah. I was. I'm all right. In the middle of doing another video. Okay, bye. Okay, all right. That's virtually finished, apart from some cosmetic bits and pieces. I think we might as well cover. Let's make it out of steel. So we select the solid display color, and we'll select this light grey. Then make it out of polished metal. Finish high gloss. Sort of a gloss. Now then, I'm going to test out the dimensioning, I think. So we want to orientate that nicely. So because there's one aspect of the dimensioning that I'm interested in. I've seen on other videos that the dimensioning can always be facing you the right way around. Even if you turn the part around to face the other way, the dimensioning reorientates itself to face you. Now I want to check that out. So we'll have some dimensioning. There's the dimensioning tool. There. We'll click the center line to get a annotation plane. And we'll stick the one in here. And another one here. You will notice that I've got 2 dimensions here, dual dimensions. Thought I'd play with that as well. Millimeters and inches. Might as well put this in. Strictly speaking, you should put the whole length in as well. Well, not as well, but rather than this middle part, put the whole length in. Might as well make them match up. That's nice. That seemed to lock into position there. That was nice. So it's just the dimensions now, the diameters. So I'll click that down there. Yeah, 0.688. How it's rounding down to 3 digits. That's really 6875. Nah. Yeah. Now here's the acid test. What's going to happen when I turn this around? It's all backwards. Inverse Philip, no, that won't be it. No, that doesn't work. Maybe there's a setting. I'll have to look into that. But anyway, first efforts are nothing much seems to be different. There may well be somewhere indicating what is different, but I think that's going to be another video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that and hope that it might be useful. Bye.